Another little update for today. I propped it up like that. I'm just about to give it a jet wash. I'll just do this beforehand. I've gone around and prepared an area there, or repaired an area there, sanded, and obviously it's going to have the rubber strip all along there, so I'm only going to tidy that up a bit. And yeah, sanded. I am, because I've got no disc now, but unfortunately it's just started raining, so let's stop play. But I'm going to sand all this off, this grip, because it's been painted over before, so it's just pointless keeping it. It's not grippy at all. Just done a big repair. I ripped all this out, chewed it all out. That's going to get sanded back. Then I'll put a couple of layers of fiberglass over that. And that's the state of it inside. So I'm just going to give it a quick jet wash, see what that does. I've gone all the way around the outside using some other distance where the strap was, so I've got to get back on that bit. And that's where we're at. But the outside's dusty. But we're on the trailer now, so that's amazing. It's good. At least I can manoeuvre it a bit now. Yeah, what else did I do? The holes where the seats were, I dug them all out with a Dremel. The wood's okay. There was a bit of rot, but I've dug it, beveled it, poured quite a lot of that in there. Same on the other side over there. What else is there? Now I saw holes earlier, I forgot. Still got that patch. It was liquidy stuff, so I put it in there, but I'll build that up with the harder stuff. I've still got a couple of holes over there to sort out for the seat. Someone sort of had a go at bodging them ones, so I fix them. Couple of little chips here and there, but that won't get seen. I'm going to board this off, and that whole front area from about here up will be like a sort of sun deck, small sun deck. Not a big bloody boat, is it? So yeah, that's where we're at the moment. So this will be part 3. I never did the intro that I was supposed to do. So yeah, here's the state of the boat when I got it, kind of thing. I was trying to find the old pictures of the day it arrived when it was sat there on the floor, because you can still see the grey paint where we slid it out of the van onto this sheet of wood. It's old chipboard, but it's soft, so it had a soft landing. What have I done then? I didn't like, where do you see it? I didn't like the way they were sitting. They were, to me, that was going to let water in. So I dug them all out. As you can see, they're still dug out. And then I've just basically gone in there, put a bit of fill around the edge to seal it up, and then I'll refill that, and then tidy the hole up so I can still get the bung in there. I might see if I can get a small bilge pump, maybe, I don't know, to go in there. We'll see how well the water drains now. Now that I've done that, I can jet wash it out. So, for now, goodbye. See you in about now. Jet washing, what a waste of bloody time. I gave up pretty quick, it did nothing. Don't know if you can see that there, square. That's where I originally cut a hole, showed you in the earlier videos, and then I've sanded that back. What I've done, made up a load of epoxy filler. I filled all these in, beveled these all out, filled them all in, and now that's stuck back down again. The foam's dry underneath. I put new foam down as well because I've got the A and B part. So I mixed up a tiny little amount, literally not even 50ml. It filled that hole easily. But as for trying to jet wash any of this crap off, I don't stand a fucking chance. So, yeah, sanding. More fucking sanding. So, all this has got to be gone. All the yellow. Got to sand it all away. I'm not worried about the steps because I am going to cover that over. I was tempted now to put a piece of wood right up here and then just sort of chamfer it in. Saves me having to sand all this, but I don't like that idea. So it's got to sit on there, but also match the height because it's going to get blended in and filled in, so the wood will be part of the boat as such. But that's sun decks, I'm not worried about these. I'll probably put a hatch in there for storage and use that as storage. Cut big holes. But we're at a standstill now. The skies have opened, it's raining. I've got it propped up. So, and I've jet washed all off underneath again, wash all the dirt off and dust. Keep the paintwork clean the best I can. And then, yeah, sitting dripping away. So the bungholes work. So, yeah, more work. Lots more fucking sanding. Anyway, there you go guys, that's today's update.